Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebra equations? We have x plus y equals 11. I want to find x plus y that satisfy this. So let's consider the solution from here. We have to note something here that x and y are members of positive integers only. So we have to restrict this to positive integer for now. And from the given question, we have x plus yx plus y equals 11. Then here we have x plus yx. If I combine this together, we have x plus yx. We put this in bracket plus y equals 11. X is common here. By factoring out x from here, we have x bracket. When we divide this one by x, we have 1 plus. Divide this one by x, we have y. Then plus y equals 11. After getting to this stage, let's add 1 to both sides because here we have 1 plus y. So I want to have something like 1 plus y here. We have x bracket 1 plus y plus 1 plus y equals 11 plus 1. Then if I bracket this one, so we have the coefficient of this, which is 1, and here is 1 plus y also. The coefficient of it equals x. By combining the coefficient of this with this, we have x plus 1, then multiplying 1 plus y equals 12. And since we have defined x and y based on the positive integer, then we look for the possible values of 12. In how many ways can we write 12? The numbers that we can multiply together that gives us 12. So the first one is we have 12. It can be equals to 1 multiplied by 12. We can have 12 as we have 12 times 1 as well. Again, we can have 2 times 6, or we have 6 times 2. Then finally, we can have 3 times 4, or we have 4 times 3. These are the possible values we are going to get. But any of these two we take for either x plus 1 equals 2 or 1 plus y equals 6. So compare it with this one, we get the same result. So then we have to note something here that for every x plus 1, this is greater than or equals to 2. And for every 1 plus y also, this is greater than or equals to 2. If you now consider the first case, which is x plus 1 equals 12, or we say 1 plus y equals 1. So let me consider this case. We are going to have x plus 1 equals 12. And we are going to have 1 plus y equals 1. But this is not the case for me, because the question says find x plus y. That is what I need. So to find x plus y, we have to note here that for every x plus y here that we have, this is equals to, when we multiply this together, we have x plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus y. Then let's subtract 2 from this. So by subtracting 2, it means x plus 1, which is 12, we have to write that 12. Then we multiply it by 1 plus y, that is 1, then minus 2. So the whole of this one becomes 10. So it means that x plus y here equals 10. And let's consider another case here. So we consider the second case. We have 2 and 6, or 6 and 2. Anyone we use, we still get the same result. And let's see how we can verify for that. Then we have x plus y equals So for x plus 1 equals 6, we have 6 multiplied by y plus 1, that is 2, minus 2. Then we are going to get 6 times 2, that is 12, minus 2. And 12 minus 2, this equals 10. So this is interesting. We get the first one as 10 and the second one as 10. Then the last case, if you have x plus y, applying this formula, x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 minus 2. And if x plus 1 equals 3 and y plus 1 equals 4. So trying to substitute it here, we have 3 then multiply by 4 minus 2. Then if 3 multiply 4, we have 12 minus 2. And 12 minus 2, this equals 10. So this seems that all the three cases satisfy this. For 12 and 1, for 2 and 6, and for 3 and 4. And we have to verify from the given questions if this truly satisfies. Since we know that our x plus y here, for every x plus y equals 10, irrespective of all the cases that we check for, we are going to get 10. But let's see how this equals. From the question we have, if this is x plus y, from where we start verifying, I said it is x plus 1 multiplied by y plus 1 minus 2. And suppose I replace this x plus y with 10, then this equals, let's expand this, x times y, that is xy plus x times 1, we have x, 1 times 1, that is y, and 1 times 1, that is 1, minus 2. Then 1 minus 2 here, we have 10 equals x plus, so yx plus y minus 1. And by taking 1 to this side, we are going to have 10 plus 1 equals x plus yx plus y. And if this is 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1 equals 10, it means we can write this thing as x plus yx plus y equals 11. And this is the original question that we were given, so where we substitute x plus y equals 10. So this shows that the value of x plus y equals 10 is the real answer to this. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.